Joy is your true nature. But how do we tap into that? Through this grounding, relaxing, and experiential meditation, we will return to our joyous nature. As this day begins, take a moment to settle into the simple rhythm of breathing. Lower the gaze or close the eyes. With each inhale, arrive more fully in this moment. With each exhale, soften any tension you're carrying. Scan through the body from top to bottom. Acknowledge what you're feeling without judgment or changing anything. This morning is enough, and you're enough to meet it with awareness. Continue to enjoy the natural rhythm of the breath. Joy is not something you must chase. It is already available, like sunlight behind the clouds. Now, bring to mind the moment you felt joy and wonder. It could be the warmth of sunlight, the taste of your morning tea, the smell of fresh grass, the sound of raindrops, the birds, or even a good joke. Hold that memory and pay attention to the sensations that arise out of it. Is there a color or texture to the feeling? What is the temperature? Is it solid, or does it flow like water or air? Observe the qualities of sensations carefully. Take 3 slow breaths to bring these feelings of joy into your being, spreading outward from the center to the shoulders, the arms, and up through the neck and head, and down to the lower torso, legs, and feet. Now, think of someone whose moment of happiness has touched you. A friend's achievement, a stranger's kindness, a child's laughter, or a dog's excitement that you once witnessed. Feel that moment in your heart. Gently offer the wish. May your happiness continue. May your joy grow. Observe how the chest or the heart may feel more open. This is mudita, a Pali word for empathic joy, the practice of delighting in others' well-being and success as though it were your own. It dissolves the quiet comparison that often shadows the heart, the subtle sense that another's gain is somehow our loss. Instead of believing joy is scarce, today, let joy be shared and multiplied, knowing that every act of happiness enriches the world we all inhabit. Silently say to your loving heart, may opportunities and good fortune come to me as well as others. May I be joyful with an open, unguarded heart. Become aware of the breath and the surface beneath you again. Gently move the fingers and toes. Slowly open the eyes and connect to the space around you. Practicing this meditation regularly will help you familiarize with the sensations of joy and gradually turn joy into your default state. Meanwhile, as you move through the day, see if you can notice opportunities to rejoice in beauty, goodness, and the accomplishments of your own and others. When you do, simply take 3 conscious breaths with an open, grateful heart to receive it. May you carry this lightness with you, not as a mood to maintain, but as a doorway of upliftment you can return to again and again.